Imagine a Layer 1 blockchain built by ex-Meta engineers, designed for next-gen Web3. Super fast, massively scalable, optimized for gaming, AI, DeFi, and everyday apps. That's SUI. In a crowded altcoin market, SUI is aiming to be the infrastructure backbone, not just another token. Right now, SUI is trading around $3.35 USD, with daily trading volume over 900 million plus. It has a circulating supply of about 3.6 billion SUI, with a maximum supply capped at 10 billion. Its market cap is hovering near 11 to 13 billion USD. That's not small change, that's serious market traction. So what's fueling SUI's momentum? Let's break it down. At SuiFest 2025 in Singapore, co-located with Token 2049, the SUI team showcased its technical edge. The object-centric model, parallel execution, smart contracts in Move and Live AI, plus DeFi demos. That kind of exposure is drawing attention from developers and institutional investors alike. And it doesn't stop there. In Q4 2025, SUI is launching two native stablecoins, suiUSDe and USDi, in partnership with Ethena Labs. The revenue generated from those stablecoins will feed SUI buybacks, which could create upward pressure on the token's price. On the regulatory front, Canary Capital filed for a SUI spot ETF with the SEC. If that's approved, SUI could become one of the few non-EVM Layer 1s accessible through traditional financial products. That's a huge deal. Meanwhile, SUI's development roadmap looks solid. It includes protocol optimization, security expansion, and upgrades like party objects and faster transaction processing. This is not just about hype, it's about building long-term tech. But let's talk about risk and context. SUI's all-time high sits around $5.35. Its all-time low, much lower. A reminder of how volatile this market can be. The swing from ATH to today's price is steep, but that's crypto. Also remember, SUI isn't alone. Ethereum, Solana, Aptos, all are fighting for Layer 1 dominance. Execution, developer adoption, and regulatory clarity will determine who comes out on top. So what about targets? If SUI's story and fundamentals align with the bull market, here's what might happen. Target 1. Conservative, base case. If growth continues steady and the stablecoin buyback model works as planned, SUI could reach $6 to $7 by the end of 2025. That's roughly 1.8 times to 2.1 times from where we are now. Target 2. Bull, strong scenario. With ETF approval, major ecosystem wins, and a broad capital rotation into Layer 1s, SUI could aim for $10 to $12. That's about 3 to 3.5 times upside from current prices. Some analysts already see SUI closing 2025 around $5 to $6 in base cases. But if sentiment shifts, $10 isn't unrealistic. Target 3. Extreme/moonshot scenario. If the bull market goes parabolic and SUI becomes a key infrastructure token for DeFi, gaming, and AI, then whispers of $15 to $20 plus emerge. That's 4.5 times to 6 times from current levels. Ambitious, yes, but not impossible. To reach those targets, everything must align. ETF approval, stablecoin adoption, institutional inflows, and continued technical excellence. So, to recap, SUI trades now near $3.35. It's preparing for stablecoin launches, riding momentum from SuiFest and waiting on an ETF decision that could change the game. If the pieces fall into place, SUI might climb into the $6 to $12 range by mid-2025. And in a full-blown bull market, $15 plus could be on the table. Remember, this is just my view, not financial advice. The market always writes the final chapter. What do you think? Will SUI storm past $10 next year, or will it settle quietly in the $6 range? Drop your predictions in the comments. And let's talk about where SUI is headed in 2025. End of script.